What's up? Hello everyone, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. It's Prince here. Welcome to another new video. If this is your first time coming across this YouTube channel, just kindly do me a big favor by clicking that subscribe button, like and share this video with friends and families. Guys, I'm currently coming live from the Gambia, West Africa, the smiling coast. So guys, in today's video I'll be showing you how this part of wullinkamma looks, the Gambia, West Africa in 2025. Yeah, I'll be working towards Brufut, Johnson. That's where I plan to end this video. So I don't know how things will go. So guys, before wasting my time, let me just turn the camera and start walking around here and show you guys how the real estate of this part of the Gambia looks. Hello viewers. Guys, currently I'm in wullinkamma, walking towards Brufut. Yeah, as I said earlier, I will end this video at Brufut, Johnson. Yeah. And there's a petrol or a gas station on my left hand side called Oryx. Yeah. Wow. This is how this part of Africa looks in 2025. Guys, currently I'm walking on the main Tanjay road. Yeah, this road is called the Tanjay road. So guys, here is called Wullinkamma Johnson. Yeah, here they construct a new road here, which is this road. It's a new road. Yeah, this one. This is the new road they construct here in Wullinkamma, and here is called Wullinkamma Johnson. Now I'm walking towards Brufut, Johnson. Let me try to get to the main highway so that I can get a good view from both angles. And there's a car dealership area. Those are used cars for sale. Guys, I'm almost at Gamtel Johnson. Yeah, Brufut Gamtel. Yeah. So guys, if you watch the video till here, make sure you like, comment and then subscribe. Yeah, positive comments, I mean. I'm not into negativity. Yeah. So guys, your likes helps YouTube to push the video to larger audience, and then your subscription helps the channel to grow. Yeah, let's go. Road to 10k, 10,000 YouTube subscribers. Let's go. Anyways. There's a car dealership area. Most of these cars are used cars. They are for sale. Guys, it's like they are constructing a new petrol or gas station over there. As you guys can see over there, yeah, they are constructing a new petrol station. Yeah. And finally guys, here is called Brufut Gamtel. Yeah, this is the Brufut Gamtel Johnson I'm talking about. It's a famous Johnson around here. Yeah. So this road leads to deep inside Brufut, deep down Brufut. Yeah, but I will cross the road, this road, and then walk for a little bit and then close this video. Don't double. So guys, this is where I will end this video. So guys, this is where I will end this video. As always, if this is your first time coming across this YouTube channel, just kindly do me a big favor by giving this video a big thumbs up and then subscribe to this YouTube channel. It really helps a lot. Yeah, it's your boy Prince Eka, boy from the Gambia, West Africa, the smiling coast. See you on the next video. Love you. Peace. This is all I have for you in today's video from the Gambia, West Africa. I'm out.